Floors clean, cars fixed, drinks ready. Let's talk robots. Starting with Richtech Robotics, which expanded its global reach by signing a distribution agreement with new consultancy BV, a Netherlands-based company. This partnership will see new consultancy distribute Richtech's robotic solutions across the Netherlands and the European Union. The partnership allows for local deployment, support, and services, ensuring quicker integration of Richtech's robots into European businesses. The agreement is part of Richtech's broader strategy to expand globally, following its successful exhibition at ProWeen 2025. Now staying in Europe, but moving away from Richtech's realm of improving workforce efficiency and customer experience in industries like hospitality and logistics, we turn our attention to robots on the road. Because Pony AI is gearing up for more mileage with the launch of Europe's first commercial robotaxi service in Zagreb, Croatia, in partnership with Verne and Uber, ensuring the service is tailored to meet local regulatory and operational needs. The service allows the public to book robotaxi rides via the Verne app, with Uber integration expected soon. Initially covering a 90 square kilometer area, including Zagreb's airport, the service operates daily from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. This launch is a part of Pony's strategy to expand its robotaxi service globally, building on recent successes in China, and helps expand its fleet to reach the goal of 3,000 vehicles by the end of the year. Then, when talking to robots, Serv Robotics unveiled Maggie, its first conversational robot, at NVIDIA GTC 2026. Maggie is designed to interact with humans in real time, bringing a new level of human-centric AI to physical environments. Serv Robotics, known for its autonomous delivery robots, partnered with T-Mobile to power Maggie using T-Mobile's 5G advanced and edge computing. This collaboration enables Maggie to respond instantly to human inputs, creating a more natural interaction experience. This partnership with T-Mobile is part of a broader trend to integrate advanced connectivity, ultra-low latency, and AI capabilities to create more dynamic and responsive robotic systems.